Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're going to take a look at another set of LED headlights. Today's bulbs are from M2. They are in the bulb type H16, and they are going to be used in the fog light assemblies of a 2016 Subaru Crosstrek. These bulbs have a copper core with aluminum heatsink and active cooling fan at the back, a thick plastic shroud on the cord with a sealed driver unit. The chips are 4 sets of 3. And the attachment point, which clips onto the housing, is actually threaded on to the assembly for a very secure connection. Let's turn this on and see what kind of power it draws. At 14.4 volts, we're drawing 2 amps. I'm dropping down a bit. Oop, touch the fan. Not sure how well that is. There we go. So we're dropping down a bit. While that decides where it wants to stabilize, let's turn on our light meter and see where that puts us. We're going to be using the ×10 function and holding the bulb about 6 inches away from the sensor. You see we are between 790 and 900. See if I can get that peak. Looks like 925, 920. We'll call it 925 for peak brightness. Having chips on 4 sides gives us a 300. Oh, touch the fan again. That fan is moving. We have a 360-degree beam pattern, so no dark spots in the housing. And I think we've stabilized at 1.88 amps. No, we're still dropping down, but much slower than before. You can hear the cooling fan. If I bring it right up to the microphone, you can hear it pretty loud, but otherwise, it's actually reasonably quiet. I can't hear it over the sound of my own voice. And believe me, I love the sound of my own voice. In any case, I really enjoyed these bulbs. The very limited amount of heat they produce and the large heat sink lends me to believe that it will have a very long life, and being in the free space behind the bumper as a fog light will give it plenty of circulation. I look forward to running these for a while and seeing how they hold up. That's all I have for today's video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button, consider subscribing for more content, and share with your friends. Until next time.